Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today I have come up with an information to share with you all regarding my Telegram channel. I'm having only one Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra. Okay, with currently I am having 5,000 plus subscribers. All right, and here in this channel I will be sharing my Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis every evening. Okay, so I will be sharing the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis every evening, and using those levels we can trade long and short. Okay, so I will be giving my analysis here. So today I have shared that Nifty pre-market is 18,725 and there is a support at 18,700, and also I have shared in the morning at 9:30 that Nifty is looking strong and Nifty can touch 18,760, and all the targets got achieved. Okay, Bank Nifty also have shared, Bank Nifty also looking strong, and I have given all those targets. Okay, here, and also I have to share you one thing. There are so many fake channels under my name. So once you click on my Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra, for any queries you can reach me out here. So I have given all the informations here. Okay, these are the fake channels under my name and under my logo. Okay, so there are so many channels, that is Trader Chitra official, Trader Chitra channel. There are so many channels under my name. So these are all not my channel. So if you want to come to my channel, I have given the link in the description box below, and in my all YouTube videos I will be putting my link. That will be the, you can see at the bottom of the channel. Okay, and if you have any queries, I have shared my Telegram link also. You can reach me out there. So these are all the fake people, so don't get trapped.